Let's see how to edit and create new virtual set in Golive real-time live production video mixing software. Click on Editor button to open Editor module to edit or create new set. In Editor you can see 6 tabs, in that 5 tabs for different layers. First tab is background layer, which is bottom-most layer. Over that there is layer 1. By default it shows Ye bus source. On the top of it layer 2, which will by default shows source from B bus. Over that layer 3, which will by default shows source from C bus. And on top, layer 4, which will by default shows source from D bus. Group tab is for setting zoom pan of complete set. Its work as virtual camera for set. You can edit each layer content and position, after that save, or using save as make copy of it. Click on New button to create new set. Give unique name and select category in which you want save it. Select background tab. Click on Reset button to set position to full screen and enable show option to show layer in set. Select Custom Source option as we want to set image or video source from file. Browse file and click on Apply to set changes in layer. Now select layer 1, it's our first bus input, and reset position. You can set position of layer by drag drop on output preview. To scale zoom size, use mouse scroll on output preview. For precise position and size you can use X, Y and size slider. Now select layer 2, which will show B bus source. Again reset and show layer. Set size and position as you want using mouse or slider. Using border size and color option, set border and color. Select layer 3 to show C bus source. Click on Reset and enable show option. Set size and position as you want using mouse or slider. As we wanted same size of layer 2, we can use copy paste option. Select layer 2, click on copy button. Now select layer 3 and click on paste option. Select layer 4, click on reset and show layer. Select Custom Source option as we want to set image or video source from file. Browse file and click on Apply to set changes in layer. Set size and position as you want using mouse or slider. Our main set is ready, save it. You can see new set is saved in set gallery. We can create multiple camera view set from same set. For that, load same set, open editor to create new view from set. Open group tab and mouse scroll on output preview to zoom in out complete set. Same way for pan, drag drop mouse on output preview to set view for new set. Once done, save it with new name as its new view. Now same way you can create multiple camera view of same set and save it as different set. We created 6 view from same set. Now set animation mode and time to load sets in animation mode. Now you can load and check all set with animation. So it's simple, easy to create new virtual set in Golive software. Hope so you like tutorial. If any query, visit our site or contact WhatsApp support team, detail given in description. Thanks.